Hey friends, if you wish to set a default folder view for all folders on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now we usually have folder views like, let's say it has medium icons or it has the details view, and some may prefer details view for all folders on their system. Okay, it is sorted out in a different manner. So how would you do this? So first of all, make sure that you have selected your folder view, and once you have selected your folder view, then click on these three dots here, select options, go to the view tab, and then click on apply to all folders, and then you can click on apply to all folders, and the same view will be applied to all folders. Like even if you go to the pictures folder, it will be applied to basically all folders. Wait, let me show you. All internal folders except for these five folders: pictures, music, download, desktop. It will be applied to all internal folders and external folders too, like any folder on a different drive. So this is what happens, and if you wish to reset this view, click on these three dots once again, select options, and then go to view and select reset folders and click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.